Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Obiefule and this is Igbo Made Easy. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to express being happy in Igbo. There are several ways you can express you're happy in Igbo, and I'll tell you the variations of it, the shades of it, and the meaning of it, so you can know the degree you want to apply and the sense of happiness you want to communicate when you say you are happy in Igbo. Now, number one, we have the classic Obi Dim Oto. Obi Dim Oto is the primary way of saying I am happy, and it literally means my heart is sweet, or even more literal, heart is me sweet. Obi Dim Oto, my heart is sweet, heart is me sweet. And this way of saying I am happy, just saying I am happy. Now, the next one we have is Obi Ụtọ na emem. Obi Ụtọ na emem. Obi Ụtọ na emem. And this one means happiness is acting on me. Happiness is acting on me. That is to say, I am involuntarily happy. So when you are in a happy mood, that is exactly what it means. I am in a happy mood. Obi ụtọ na emem. So it's not just I am happy as we had Obi dim ụtọ, but this time around it is I am in a happy mood. Obi ụtọ na emem. Another way of saying you are happy in Igbo is to use the expression joy. And joy in Igbo is aṅụrị. Aṅụrị. If you have paid attention to the previous videos I have made, you would notice in the Christmas New Year videos and the birthday greetings, we would say Aṅụrị ekeresimesi dịrị gị. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. Aṅụrị ekeresimesi is Merry Christmas. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị is Happy Birthday. And Aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ is Happy New Year. Now you would see in these three instances, Aṅụrị stood for happy and it stood for merry, basically explaining the same ideas. Being happy, saying you are happy, you are excited, you are joyed. So to say you are happy in Igbo, another word you can use is aṅụrị. And there are two examples of this I have prepared to show you. The first one is Anam enwe aṅụrị. Anam enwe aṅụrị is I am having joy. Anam enwe aṅụrị is I am having joy. Is not like I have joy, but I am having joy. I am, it's in the continuous. That may not exactly translate to English directly, but when you think of it in a continuous sense, you have an idea of what the person is expressing. And when you can use it to express being joyed, joy is bigger than happiness. Joy has a fulfillment with it. Joy is not exactly fleeting, you see, so it's deeper than happiness. And it is less, what would I call it? It's less vain than happiness. So that is the same idea and the same qualities attached to aṅụrị. So ana m enwe aṅụrị, I am having joy. Another example that you can use is enwerem angry. Enwerem angry. Enwerem angry is I have joy. Enwerem is I have. If you want to say I have a car, you say enwerem ụgbọala. I have a house. Enwerem ụlọ. I have this, I have that. Enwerem nke a, enwerem nke ahụ. So when you come to joy and you want to say I have joy, you would say enwerem aṅụrị. Enwerem aṅụrị. Okay, ọdịmma. The next meaning of enwerem aṅụrị is I am joyed. When you want to say in English, I am joyed, not just I have joy, but I am joyed, you say it in Igbo as enwerem aṅụrị. So you can say enwerem aṅụrị na ịgbakela. I am joyed that you have recovered. Enwerem aṅụrị na ihe na-agara gị nke ọma. I am joyed that things are going well with you. Enwerem aṅụrị n'ịnụ olu gị. I am joyed at hearing your voice. So, these are the things you can express happiness for using joy. 1. Anam enwe aṅụrị. And the other one, enwerem aṅụrị. What if I wanted to say, I'm enjoying myself, I'm having fun, It's a happy thing to express in Igbo when you are having fun, you are enjoying yourself, you know. How are you going to explain that? How are you going to say that in Igbo? Okay. It's a kind of a slang word, a slang expression, but it is not so informal exactly. It's not base trying to look for the language word for it, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to say. So it is acceptable, it is decent, it's responsible. It's not a bad word. So here you have Anam enweta onwe m. Anam enweta onwe m. Anam enweta onwe m. Anam enweta onwe m. Onwe m is myself. Enweta is having. Then anam is I am. So anam enweta onwe m is I am having myself. I am enjoying myself. I am having fun. Anam enweta onwe m. You see, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself. I am chilling. I am balling. I am cruising. I'm just there. Just refreshing myself, having fun, being happy, and all what have you. So these are some of the ways that you can say you are happy in Igbo, and the various degrees of happiness you can express with these thoughts. Now, what do you call someone who is always happy? Someone who's always happy, always jovial, always, a fun person, someone who's always happy, doesn't have any troubles and all of that. What do you call them in Igbo? You call them, if they are female, you call them nwanyi obi ụtọ. If they are male, you call them nwoke obi ụtọ. Obi is heart, literally your heart, the heart pumping blood. That is obi. Then ụtọ is sweet. So someone with a sweet heart, a man of sweet heart, nwoke obi ụtọ. a woman of sweet heart. Nwanyị obi ụtọ. So someone is sweet-hearted, you call them by these expressions. There is one that is very close to it, and it is sometimes even more used to address or to call people who have thus been described as being happy, jovial, carefree, not having any problem, not troublesome, and lovable people. They have been called Nwanyị Obioma for the female and Nwoke Obi Oma for the male. Obi again is heart and Oma is good. So the first example I gave you is Nwoke Obi Ụtọ, Nwanyị Obi Ụtọ, but this time they are looking at someone who is good-hearted, has a good heart. Nwanyị Obioma, Nwoke Obioma, so he's kind, he's generous, because it follows that people who are sweet-hearted usually show the sweetness in kindness, in patience, in being loving, in being forgiving, being accommodating. That is what makes them endearing to people, and that is why they can manage to stay happy and be happy and jovial, because they have this good heart. So the good heart is more pronounced than the sweetness of it. So they're not just focusing on the sweetness. So people rarely focus on the sweetness of the heart than they focus on the goodness of the heart. So they would call them Nwoke Obioma or Nwanyị Obioma even before they would call them Nwoke Obi Ụtọ or Nwanyị Obi Ụtọ. And here we'll call it a wrap for this